Ben, Lily, dinner is ready. Come to the table.
Coming, Mom. I washed my paws already. I'm so hungry.
Ben, did you wash your paws?
I washed them yesterday?
Ben, go wash your paws right now. You've been playing outside all day.
Ben, they're dirty. There's mud and grass all over them. It's just a little dirt. It won't hurt me.
Ben, germs are invisible. You can't see them, but they're there. Go wash.
Fine. I'll wash them. Done!
Ben, that was 1 second. Use soap and scrub for at least 20 seconds.
But I'm hungry. The food is getting cold.
Ben, please.
Ugh, okay. Soap, scrub.
Good. Now come eat.
Achoo! Sorry, everyone. I think I caught something from work. Someone came in sick.
Oh no, Noah. Are you feeling okay?
Just a little sneezy. Nothing a good meal can't fix.
Dad, you should cover your mouth when you sneeze.
I did. With my tail. Oops.
Noah, please use a tissue and wash your paws.
Yes, dear. After dinner, I promise.
Oh no, I don't feel so good. My stomach
Me
hurts.
too. It's like a party in my belly, and everyone's dancing too hard.
Mom, I feel sick too. My tummy is making funny noises. What's happening? Everyone's getting sick?
Ben, are you feeling okay?
I feel fine. I don't feel sick at all.
Wait a minute. We all ate the same dinner, but Ben didn't wash his paws properly before he ate. He had all those germs on his paws.
You mean Ben's dirty paws gave us all the germs?
Ben, you didn't get sick because the germs were already on your paws. Your body got used to them, but we didn't. That's why we're all sick now.
So Ben gave us his germs? That's so gross. I didn't know, Mom. I thought my paws looked clean.
That's the thing about germs, Ben. You can't see them. They're invisible little bugs that can make you sick.
And they travel from paws to food to mouths, and bam!
Everyone's
Sick.
This is all Ben's fault. If he had just washed his paws. I'm sorry, everyone. I didn't mean to make you sick.
We know you didn't mean to, sweetie. Washing your paws properly is so important. With soap.
I'm sorry, everyone. I didn't mean to make you sick.
We know you didn't mean to, sweetie. But this is why washing your paws properly for 20 seconds.
And singing happy birthday twice. That's 20 seconds.
So, if I wash my paws right, no one gets sick?
Not from germs on your paws, no. Washing with soap kills the germs so they can't spread.
I promise, Mom.
That's my boy. Now can someone pass me the tissue?
Dad, you're supposed to sneeze into your elbow.
Chew! See? I'm learning.
Okay, everyone, let's all take some medicine, drink lots of water, and rest.
Ben, you're on tissue duty.
Ben, you're a good kitty. Just remember, clean paws save the day.